Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I was in the market for a new diffuser because my old one that I've had for several years finally bit the dust. So in the midst of my tears, I began shopping for a new one, and I came across this beautiful wooden diffuser from One Fire. This diffuser not only looks beautiful, but is strong enough to bring a wonderful aroma to my large living room and dining room. This small and mighty diffuser has a beautiful glow that will add to the ambiance of relaxation and unwinding. It has 8 different colors for you to choose from, and it comes with 6 different essential oils. So any mood that you're feeling, whether you're cleaning your house or looking to relax and unwind from a hard day with a good book, this diffuser is going to be your best friend. It was very easy to set up right out of the box, and it also has 3 different timers on it, so even if you get too relaxed and drift off to sleep, your diffuser will turn itself off. I was also impressed by its durability. I live in a house with kids and crazy pets, and I'm continuously using this diffuser, and it shows no signs of stopping. So if you're in the market for a new diffuser, then I think you're going to love this one from One Fire. And that's my point of view.